Ever found yourself with a fantastic video idea but felt a little intimidated by the editing process? You're not alone. Many of us have been there, staring at complex software, wondering where to even begin. But what if I told you there's a powerful, user-friendly tool that can transform your raw footage into something truly special, right from your phone or computer? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of CapCut. CapCut has quickly become a go-to for creators of all levels, and for good reason. It's incredibly intuitive, packed with features, and best of all, it's free. Whether you're looking to create engaging social media clips, polish blogs, or even short films, CapCut offers a surprisingly robust editing experience without a steep learning curve. Think of it as your creative partner, ready to help you bring your vision to life with ease. So, how do you get started? It's simple. From there, you'll import your video clips and photos directly into the app. This is where the magic begins. CapCut's timeline is designed for clarity. You'll see your media laid out, ready for you to arrange, trim, and cut. Need to shorten a clip? Just drag the edges. Want to remove a section? A simple tap or click does the job. Beyond basic cuts, CapCut excels in its creative tools. You can add text overlays, choosing from a vast library of fonts and styles to perfectly match your video's mood. Want to add a professional touch? Explore the extensive collection of transitions that can smoothly connect your clips, or the dynamic effects that can add flair and energy. Music and sound are crucial to any great video, and CapCut makes this effortless. You can access a library of royalty-free music and sound effects, or upload your own audio files. Adjusting volume levels, fading music in and out, and even adding voiceovers are all straightforward processes. For those looking to elevate their visuals further, CapCut offers a range of filters and adjustments to fine-tune colors and lighting, ensuring your footage looks its absolute best. One of the most exciting aspects of CapCut is its commitment to innovation. They're constantly updating the app with new features, from advanced to AI-powered tools that can automatically remove backgrounds to creative templates that give you a head start on popular video trends. This means your editing capabilities are always expanding, allowing you to experiment and discover new ways to tell your story. CapCut truly democratizes video editing, putting powerful tools into the hands of anyone with a story to tell. It's about empowering your creativity and making the editing process enjoyable, not a chore. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore CapCut. I hope this introduction has inspired you to give it a try and unlock your video editing potential. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more tech tips and creative insights. Happy editing!